want to drive? Oh, you wanted pets. You love pets. You love pets. Morning, guys. September 21st, 2020. This one I got a call from a lady where she wants her furnace service, filters changed, and whatnot. So, she says she got extra filters there. Sounds like a damsel in distress. So we're going to go by there, make sure the system's working right. She says heating and everything, just wants it checked. It's getting on that time of year. I think she said something about the filters in the ceiling or in the attic or something. I'd have to go by there and see. I think it's heating in there. I told her I could only check the heat now because it's too cold to be checking the air conditioning. But that seems to be working fine. Just want the filters changed. We'll try to get you some shots if I can. Yeah. Still running. I want to shut that off so I don't get hit. Should be able to shut the power off for it, no? That's got the light and all. Alright, leave it on. I guess it shouldn't hit me. I'll clear it. Be alright. Because that shuts the light off too, right?
Yeah.
Alright, it's shut off. It's slowing down anyway. How long has it been since you changed the filter?
Oh, it's been a while.
Been a while.
Been a while.
Wow, I guess so. Holy shit. She's dark.
Yeah.
Couple of years?
Might be, I've been trying to get somebody.
Might be like 5 years or something.
Oh no, I've done it before. I'm supposed to have a total knee replacement.
Oh great, sounds like fun.
Yeah. Very important.
Yeah, so I could see up close. Alright. Alright, so we'll check the furnace out upstairs and where's the thermostat for it?
Downstairs. I don't know what that thing is.
Here.
Yeah,
that?
good. It's trash day.
Yeah, it's trash. Here, while you're going down, grab this too.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So I'll go check it out upstairs. That might be a humidifier control. Yeah, humidity control. It's off. Oh. It's not working anyway. There must be a humidistat up there or something.
Oh, all right.
Built-in humidifier. We'll check it. You like them cigarettes, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Could be worse. I could be smoking them. Return goes up, and it goes back down. So I think the furnace is down there. You see the smoke pipe? Yeah, there's no furnace up here. Huh. It's a high efficiency unit. See the two white pipes? Great. There it is. Look at that. Can't even get the door off. Ain't that a bitch? It's a rud. Look at the coil on the floor like that. That's a shit job right there. Wow. It's a downdraft. It's a flipping downdraft. Yeah, because the return's coming in the top and then it's a downdraft. When I got that Do you find your hot water really cold?
I'm sorry.
Do you find your hot water's cold? How come the thermostat's so low here?
That's what my friend said, that she felt it was cold. I was cold last night in my shower.
Alright, somebody turned this down. I'll turn it back up to where it belongs.
Oh, good, thank you.
It was too low. It was below low, almost on vacation.
Oh my.
Yeah. That's what I said.
I mean, it'll get warm enough, but I have to have it on hot in order to...
Alright, no, I'm going to turn it up so the temperature will get hotter.
Thank you.
How old is this system? Oh, it's a 1.6, so it's only 4 years old.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
The furnace isn't upstairs, it's down here in this closet area.
Right.
Oh, I thought you said it was upstairs.
Yeah, the second floor.
Yeah, but it's in the closet, it's not in the attic. Oh, this is a downdraft.
I'm sorry.
Well, that's fine. I mean, it's okay.
I know
No
what
big deal.
I mean.
You got some mice droppings down here. Did you know that?
No. That's wonderful.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, my cats will like them.
Yeah, you got little mice droppings down here on the floor, so you got some friends living around.
I gotta call the condo association.
Maybe. Take this flame sensor out and clean the flame sensor.
Well, they were probably up in the attic.
No, they're right. I see the droppings right inside this room that I'm in here.
Oh, I got 3 cats too.
So you could probably put some mice traps here and catch them, no?
Yeah. I will.
I'm just thinking.
I probably need to let the condo association know.
Well, you could talk to them about it, maybe.
Yeah. I wonder if anybody else has them.
Well, if you see little poops,
Yeah.
that means that they're around.
Okay.
They're leaving their little droppings for you.
I wouldn't want them to... If I were one of them, I got 3 cats. I wouldn't want to be around. I'd be a dead mouse.
Unless it's old, but at least I'll let you know about it, right? It's probably a good thing to talk to the people in charge of maintenance. Let them know that you got some little poopy mans around here.
Yeah. Yeah, because if they're in here with 3 cats, they're got to be someplace else.
Well, there's holes in the wall back here, and they're probably coming in from the attic or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Unless that's from before.
That's above my pay grade.
That is above your pay grade.
Yeah.
You
Oh, you like that, huh? Yeah, so they had the doors on. Do they have the doors on there? Yeah. The doors over here. Alright, why don't you turn the heat up?
Will do.
Yeah, so we
Any
clean the flame
particular
sensor.
level?
Huh?
How high?
Just turn it up so it runs. I mean, turn it up so it's higher than the room temperature.
It'll kick in. Because sure the heck is cold.
I'm gonna put this door back on because it's got a switch on it.
Here we go.
Yeah, so if you open this door and you look in here on the bottom of the floor, you could see the little mice poops.
Okay.
So, that's telling me they're probably either coming in here to stay warm, right?
Right. I'll cool off.
Something like that. Well, at least you got the new filter. Now that filter's got to be changed every so often, ma'am. Like every, at least once a year, or every 6 months.
Every 6 months.
I would do every 6 months.
I'm just gonna have to.
You're gonna need to get some more of that size.
I have one more, and I know.
Okay.
It's 20 by 25.
You got the right down the size on the old filter. It's on the side of it. Make sure you get the right one.
Oh, I have another one.
All right.
I'm just gonna have to find somebody.
Boy, you gotta quit them cigarettes. They ain't sounding so kosher there. That's bad. Clean flame sensor. It should be good there. Look at this. He put flipping tape over it. Block it off with tape. Isn't that crazy? It's not even the right tape they're putting on there. Look at that shit. That's not heat tape. Wow. That's it. That should be alright. It's a down draft. You don't see them too often. Kind of rare. It's all about the mice poops. Could be coming in from that hole in the back there. Alright, so I changed the filter and I cleaned the flame sensor, and you should be good to go. It's a newer system. There's really not much else you gotta do to it.
Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it.
Just
Now,
make
should
sure
I
that
have
there's no CO coming out of the. It shouldn't be. It's a brand new system, but it's always good to check,
Yeah.
It's coming out nice and warm.
Yeah, it is. It'll be nice to have warmer showers. The water will stay.
Well, the water. I don't know why that thermostat was so low in that tank, but I did turn it up for you.
Okay.
We're fine there.